We remove the back cover. We remove the battery. Remove the screws from the middle frame. Very carefully, we are going to remove the middle frame. Here we have the connector of the screen. We release the connector of the touch screen. We remove the screw. We have to be very careful with the coaxial cable. Always lift it from the metal part. We remove the screw. Lift gently the device motherboard. You have to be very careful when you remove the earpiece speaker. It can be broken in half very easy. We disconnect the coaxial antenna. With the help of the spudger, we remove the sub-motherboard. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. Now we set the motherboard. We have finished the assembly process.